everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing two separate projects. The first project is going to consist of this toilet paper roll. It's a fun little ring toy here, two Tootsie Pops, some googly eyes, and some scraps of fabric along with our glue gun. Before we get into the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe now. Go ahead and like this video. Also, if you would like to follow my other YouTube channels, they are linked in the description, as well as the links to my social media. And let's get into it. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to start with our toilet paper roll, and we're going to cover the bottom. Now, you don't have to use fabric. You can use anything from scraps of fabric to toilet paper, or streamer will work for this project as well. We're just gonna try to make a mummy out of this toilet paper roll. So I'm just gonna put some fabric along the outside, so our bottom, we have a cover for our bottom so that our candy doesn't fall out. So that's what you want to start with first. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, guys, we're making a mummy. You just want to make sure when you put something in there that it doesn't fall out. And this can lay down when you start putting the rest of the fabric on here. So I'm just going to start from the bottom. And it doesn't have to be perfect, guys, because remember, we're making a mummy. So I have enough strips here to go around, and if it looks kind of scarce, I have a lot more to go around. So I'm just going to get started placing this around, kind of laying it on top of each other so it kind of gives the appearance of a mummy as best as possible. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to add my googly eyes. So there we have that. So now I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to take this around the top to kind of cover the eyes, but not cover the eyes. I'm going to go around until I'm all out. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more. So I kind of want to make him look more mummy-like, you know, to look like his eyes are actually hiding, or she. And so I'm on my last little piece here. Try not to get too much hot glue on my fingers. There we go. So now we can just add our lollipops, and you don't have to use what I'm using. This is just what I'm using for treats. I'm going to actually attach that to there. I'm just kind of throw these in here like this. And these will be perfect to give out to kids, or if your children are having a holiday party at school or at home. I think this will be really cute, or you can just use this to decorate around the house. Now we have one more little fun treat holder that we're doing, so let's get into that. So again, we're going to be using a lollipop, and this one is going to be really quick, even quicker than our little mummy treat holder. And we're going to use a lollipop, googly eyes. I have a set of legs that I cut out of these little fuzzy wires or pipe cleaners. I don't know what people call them, but basically what I did was I folded it in half, cut, and then folded it in half again. So now we have 8 legs. So I'm just going to twist these together here. And then I'm going to put some hot glue. Try not to put too much, but enough so it doesn't come off. And I'm going to put it as far away from the lollipop as possible. That's one side, so we're going to do the same thing with the other side, and basically all I did was took it and twisted it. I just want to make sure it's sticking down. And again, I apologize guys, the construction is still going on across the street for me, so if you hear any loud noise, that's exactly what it is, and I'm so sorry. So now we have our legs on. I'm just going to kind of fan them out and make them look like spider legs. Also, it's a little kooky, but you can fix it however you need to make it kind of stand up. Or if you don't want it to stand up, just kind of fan it out like that so the legs still look like spider legs. So now I'm going to put the googly eyes here in the front, just to give our little spider lollipop some character. And there you have it guys. You can use smaller googly eyes. I thought I had some smaller ones, but I didn't, so I'm just using the larger ones. And you can use larger lollipops if you want to, but these are fun things you can do with your kids, or like I said, if you're handing out candy for Halloween or there are going to be class parties. These are 2 cute little projects that is fun for yourself and fun for kids as well, and it's so cute, and it makes it a little bit more personal and a little bit more fun, as opposed to just giving kids something simple and plain out of the candy bag. But I hope you like this video guys. I love making these things. I'm gonna have so much fun making these with Cameron and Autumn. They love doing stuff like this, and on the weekends when it's fall and it's starting to get cool, we love doing crafts. So you have a lot more crafts coming from me, but I wanted to get started early with our Halloween crafts. So I hope you like this. If you do, guys, please give me a thumbs up. We are getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers, so as soon as we get there, we're going to do a giveaway, so make sure you're sharing my videos out, guys. If you are new and you are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to visit my vlog channel, that is linked below in the description, as well as my social media. That is also linked in the description. And until next time, bye!